recipe. You know what happened? I want to ask my fans this question. You know, all over the world, people been using thyme to cook with, do so many different things. The research said you can make some thyme tea and drink it at home and you have a lot of benefit. Please leave your comments in the description box and please tell Chef Ricardo, because I want to learn some more. I will show you some more bits and pieces in the description box what thyme is good for also. So please guys, if you never drink thyme tea, please let me know and please leave your comments in the description box. Thank you so much for watching my show. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, and a lot more recipe will be there for you. Again, thank you so much. And lovely guys, so basically I went to this local shop and I brought some thyme. This is some fresh thyme. You know, you can get fresh thyme at the local shop or supermarket to buy, and I brought some fresh thyme, and I want to just ask my fans what you think about fresh thyme, if it is good for you body. A lot of research say yes, thyme is good for your body. So basically, wash off a piece of fresh thyme and put it into a glass like this, and all you're going to do is to pour some hot water inside of the glass like this. And then you can use, you don't have to use honey, or you can use sugar, brown sugar, whatever you like, but the honey is a little bit more natural. And get a teaspoon of natural raw honey and put it inside of it like this. So guys, this is it right here. Basically I'm just simply asking the question, when you drink fresh thyme tea, what's the benefit, what's it do to your body, and all these things. So please leave your comments below. It will be brilliant, that's others can learn. Thank you so much guys. If you want to give it a try, give it a go. I know that thyme, you know what I mean, it's good for human being, it's good for your body, and also it helps you to fight against a lot of things inside of your system which I didn't know. So but basically I just want to ask a question, what thyme tea is good for your body. That's I can learn from others also. Please leave your comments below, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. You can make this tea for 5 mornings straight, drink it and see exactly what it do to your body. Give it a try at home, and you know what I mean, if you don't try, you don't know what is good for you, so you have to try. A lot of people all over the world start to drink this tea and they say fight against a lot of things inside of their system. You can do your own research and Google by typing what's the benefit for thyme tea. Alright guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.